Get on with the job ahead and take your welding to the next level. Introducing the Orbimax MX Series of industrial grade MIG welders. Designed for the workshop and serious welder. These machines range from 250 amp model up to a 500 amp model, with options in gas or water cooling with inbuilt or remote wire feeding. Built tough for the traditional welder, these machines are designed with simple step switch configuration, but also include synergic lines and stepless adjustment, letting you select material type, thickness and wire size so you're ready to weld. Smart, simple and flexible. The MX Series is easy to move with an optional separate wire feeder, which can be positioned away from the power source and close to the job at hand. Made in Germany with practicality and sturdiness in mind, the MX Series comes on a tough carriage system with large wheels and an integrated gas bottle holder. The 251 is the perfect machine for semi-portable applications and ease of access. The larger machines are perfect for heavy-duty structural applications when you need a machine that welds all day. With the exclusive Focus Arc technology, watch the weld speeds increase by up to 30% with the press of a button. If you're after a reliable machine that won't let you down, look no further than the Orbimax MX Series. Call us today to discuss how the machines will bring true bottom-line gains and increased capacity. Weld smarter with Orbimax.